Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Ever thought, can I transfer money from my Clearpay account straight to Wise? Maybe to send it abroad or just manage your funds better? So let's break it down. Clearpay, also known as Afterpay in some regions, is a buy now pay later service. It lets you split purchases into smaller payments over time. So is it possible to transfer money directly from Clearpay to Wise? Unfortunately, no. You can transfer money from Clearpay to Wise or to any bank account because Clearpay doesn't give you access to actual funds. It's not a wallet or a cash service. Here's why. Clearpay only pays merchants on your behalf when you shop and then you repay Clearpay in installments. There's no balance you can withdraw or transfer. It's not like PayPal or a debit account. Why? If you are looking to send money through Wise, you will need to fund it with a bank account, debit card, or another supported payment method, not Clearpay. Hope that cleared things up. Want more smart money tips and breakdowns? Hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.